The Information and Service Center of Prosperous Justice Party in the United Kingdom presents Indonesia's Future Political Landscape Challenges Facing Political Parties, with the speakers Lord Ahmed, Member of House of Lords, Lutfur Rahman, Mayor of Tower Hamlets, Shahrul Hidayat, a PhD student Institute in Arab and Islamic Studies, University of Exeter, and President of PKS, Lutfi Hassan Ishak, will also present. The seminar will be held at Inmarsat Conference Centre, London, 19th of January 2011.